Wow. Hmm. It's fudgy, crispy. Hi everyone, my name is Roma and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I have this very sweet parcel which is sent to me by Sweet Sensations Goa, which is by Mayura Sardesai. The package looks really very cute and I can't wait to try it out. Let me just open it up and show you guys. So guys, here is all the stuff that she has sent me. I think first I'm going to jump into the truffles because they look delicious. The truffles that she has sent me are Oreo, chocolate chips, chocolate and peanut butter. Now I don't know which one is which, but I'm assuming this one is chocolate, so I'm going to try this first. This is a peanut butter truffle. Oh wow. It tastes like Reese's peanut butter cup. Yummy. I'm a peanut butter fan, so I loved this. Oh my god. Wow. So if you guys love Reese's peanut butter cup, and this is your jam because you're going to love this. So guys, now I don't know which one is which, so I'm just going to lift one up, taste it and then tell you the name. Okay, so I'm guessing this one is the Oreo one. Let's give it a try. How can anything with Oreo in it taste bad? No. It has got soft Oreo cookie stuffed inside this, delicious truffle ball. Wow. And also has slight pieces of white chocolate in it, which is good, really good. Also guys, I'll mention the prices below. So yeah. Alright, so guys, now I'm going to try this one, which I think is chocolate chips truffle. It is. Okay, the base of this truffle is exactly like the one of the Oreo, but only thing, this has got chocolate chips inside it and also white chocolate. Okay guys, the last kind of truffle is this very pretty one, and I'm sure this is the chocolate one. Let's try it out. Okay, this chocolate is very rich and dense, and the sprinkles, I don't know, somehow are adding some different kind of taste to it, but it's tasting really nice. It's tasting like the rum ball. If you guys have ever tasted a rum ball, it tastes like that. Delicious. So next in line, I have some very good looking brownies, and I have the peanut butter brownies and chocolate brownies. I don't know which one I should try first. I think I'll try the peanut butter one first. Wow. It's fudgy, crispy. The layer in the middle is so soft, gooey, perfect taste of peanut butter, chocolate, just so satisfying to eat. They are perfectly baked, perfectly baked. I love these. I really love this. A big thumbs up for this. It's a must try. So guys, next up I'm going to be trying this Serradura. So let's give it a go. Now Serradura is one thing that I've had like many times and at different places. So let's see if this tastes the way it tastes the way I like it or no. Okay, the base is soft, creamy, smooth. The top layer has biscuit crumbs on it. And I think this treat is a very nice small treat for children of my age too. So guys, this Serradura is soft, creamy, smooth. The bottom layer tastes amazing. Overall, I'll give it a thumbs up. And next now I'm going to try the chocolate brownie, which also looks very good. Just look at this top layer. It's perfect, exactly how a brownie should be, like crispy. And look at this edge, like wow. And as you can see, the middle layer looks very fudgy and perfectly baked. Okay, now let's give it a bite. Wow. I loved it. It's too good. So guys, this brownie gets a very big thumbs up from my side. I mean, the best thing till now that I've tasted is this brownie from Sweet Sensation Goa, and I highly recommend you guys to try these brownies out. Like, order it right now. There will be a link in the description below. So just go watch this video till the end and then go and order yourself these brownies. Like, because they are like, I don't know what to say, they are worth a try. I mean, worth a try. And believe me when I say this. So guys, the last thing is this very cute looking chocolate cake. Now this is the sample size and this is not available for sale, but you can order a 500 gram size from her, from Sweet Sensation Goa. So let's give it a try. Let's cut it. So guys, this cake is soft, chocolatey, moist. It will go very well with a nice scoop of vanilla ice cream. A perfect dessert to wind up your night. It's really amazing. You can see it looks very soft and moist. So guys, I think I'm going to end my video here. That's all that Sweet Sensation Goa and Mayura Sardesai had sent me. Thank you so much, Mayura, for sending me your tasty, delicious products. Guys, please do order yourself these tasty products. I will link everything in the description below. And yes, if you enjoyed this video, please give it a big like, subscribe to my channel for more, and I will be back with some more fun videos. Also, share it with your friends and family. Bye.